Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply the tearing paper transitions to your edited clips in the CapCut PC. So, if you want to add the tear paper transition, you can easily find it in the transitions menu at the top. So you don't need to add overlay, you just need to go to transition and then scroll down and click on the mask section here, and you'll easily found the tearing paper transition. Just click on the plus icon and it will be automatically added in between the clip like this, but you can always adjust the transition or the duration like this. I'm going to apply it as 0.7 seconds, and this will be the result. Okay, so that's pretty easy, but I hope this video will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye!